YouTube. Good morning, it's your boy, aka JB, Mr. Arkansas, Mr. Bruce Mania. Now, this video right here is personal. I said all the good things about Memorial Day and why. It is personal. 8 years ago, around this day, my auntie Lena Lyons died because of cancer. Cancer took her away from us. It's rough. I know my grandma and moms wanted to think about it all the time, even me. It's hurtful, but she had to go that way. But there's nothing we can do about it. I just want her to know that she always gonna be missed. I barbecued yesterday just for the occasions. I gave respect to all the veterans and people that came for us and lived and died in wars. Now this day I got this right here is the video I got to show respect to my auntie. 8 years ago, around this time right here, when we got a chance to bury you. A lot of people said it don't seem surreal, but it was. We all don't just the killing part. We all got that day coming. No matter it's cancer, sick, killed. Nobody knows how they gonna go. My auntie died with cancer. I really didn't know her that long. Well, when the time I didn't know her, she always loved me like I was her own kid, and I respect that. That's why I always respect her. I wanna cry, but but sometimes I don't wanna cry because I know the Lord was waiting on her to come see him when she come see him in heaven. So ain't nothing we can do about it. Besides, I think the good times, bad times, okay times that everybody had together, while everybody was on earth. Ain't nothing changed when it comes to that. I want to say, Auntie, I miss you. I hope you was. I wish you would still be around today. You know, eat some of this barbecue like Grandma did yesterday, Mom, and the dogs. But you always gonna be here in my heart, no matter what you went. It don't matter where you went up there, what day of time you went. You always gonna be my auntie. I'm always gonna love you, no matter what. Miss you, auntie. Happy Memorial Day.